what's up guys, it's your girl Ny'Ree back with another video. So today what I'm going to be doing is teaching you how to highlight and how to contour your face. So of course you can already see I did my eyebrows, I have already put on my foundation. This is the basis of everything. Most of the time, 100% of the time guys, I do my eyeshadow and my eyelashes before I get into putting on my foundation, my highlight, and my contour. But for the sake of this video, I'm trying to make it as short but as detailed as possible. For your highlight, you would want to use a shade 2 shades lighter than your actual skin color. So today what I'm going to be using is, for my highlight, is this Tarte, the Creaseless concealer in the shade Tan. I'm gonna put all of the products in the description box below. And then also guys, make sure you subscribe after you watch my video, because I'm gonna be posting constantly and I'm gonna bring you new content. Just comment down below, let me know what you want to see next. And you know, just hit me up on my social medias. I always put it down in the description box below. Just tell me more. I'm just gonna keep posting until you guys let me know. But this video was requested, how to highlight and contour. So I normally just put the highlight under my eyes here, on the bridge of my nose, at the T-zone, on my chin, around this area here, because you want your face to connect with the highlight. You don't want it to be separated. So once you put the highlight here, it connects everything together. So let's just jump right into that. And then also I'm using this, but then I'm also using like a cool tan from the LA Girl ProConcealer that I always use just to even it out so it won't be so bright, but yeah. So like I said, I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl ProConcealer in Cool Tan just to even that out, because sometimes it is a little bit too bright. So after that, you just go in with a damped beauty blender and you want to blend it in. I love beauty blenders. I rarely use like any type of brush on my face when blending, because I swear to you, this beauty blender is like everything. So, and then I honestly, like right after you do your highlight, you want to set it with your powder like as soon as possible, because you don't want it to have like any creasing or anything. And so what I use for my setting, I always use my Laura Mercier setting powder. I always go right here first, but then I blend out the edges like this. If you see what I'm doing, I'm going under the eye first, and then I'm going out this way, and then at the end I blend out the edges. Just tap in like a circular motion too, just to blend that out. And the reason why you put this part right here, or the highlight right here, is to make your forehead appear smaller than what it actually is. I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier and the translucent powder, and I just turn it upside down and shake it so that way it could come out like this. And so I just make sure I get this part here like smoothed out, and then just apply a little bit. Well, not a little bit, but make sure it's like an even amount. You're gonna use like a cream contour, then you can. And then also when you use cream for anything, if you use a cream contour or a cream concealer, whatever, you always use cream concealer, but of course you always set it. So it's gonna look like this when you set it. And so I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn for my contour. Looks for now. And then so now I'm gonna blend that contour in, and so I'm moving up in an upward motion just so it doesn't go down back this way, because we don't want it to go back this way, we want it to go up. And then so for the nose, I'm gonna use the same blending brush and then blend, just pat it like how I patted it going upwards. I'm just gonna pat it going this way. Contour with my contour kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I always mess that up. I'm gonna go in with this shade here and just contour everything. So what I always use is my contour brush from Wet n Wild, and looks like this. It's old, so that's kind of why the name is like jacked up on it. But you wanna go in and set every place where you put your contour. And then what I do is pretty much I dab it in instead of like swirling it, because it gives it a nice look. I like how it looks when I dab it in versus swirling it. This brush, it's from ABH Cosmetics. This is actually my second set of brushes that I ever had, like ever in my life. So I'm gonna use this angle brush, go in with the same color, and contour my nose. And so when you're doing your nose, you want to come up into the eye, like right here, and kind of blend that in. So once you put the contour, bring it up to your eye. That way it'll look more like you instead of just the bridge of your nose, if you know what I'm saying. Like, just bring it over this way. See? Like that. Okay, and so now I'm gonna take the blending brush and I'm just gonna blend that in. If you still feel like it's not blending properly, you can always go back in with your beauty blender and blend that part in. Powder brush, and then I'm just gonna wipe the this setting powder, the Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm wiping it off. Alright guys, so this is the final look for the highlight and contour. I hope you really did like this video, and I hope it was very informative for you. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and comment. Don't forget to like I said, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell next to the subscribe button to make sure that you are getting your notifications when I do upload again, and that'll be very soon. Like I said, just let me know what you guys think about it, and yeah, bye. Thank you.